Hi my awesome friends. Today I'm going to be presenting a tablescape for spring, focusing on spring flowers. Of course we're going to include some bunnies and carrots, but we're going to try to do it a little bit more elevated. So I started off with this table runner. I've had this in another post before, and I just really love it. It's so pretty. It's like a velvet. So then I added this bouquet of flowers, and I'll try to back up, and of course I have something behind me. And I have this bouquet of flowers that my mom made for me, and it goes really pretty with my backdrop. And pan out just a little bit more so you can see. So those flowers look really pretty in front of that backdrop. So now let me come in a little bit closer. All right, so I'm gonna go in a little bit closer so I can show you what I started my table with. So of course I have my runner and the beautiful flower arrangement my mom made. And then coming down, this is another floral item that she just picked up from, I think it was a 99-cent store, and that's just to kind of hide the base of the container. And then I placed my carrots in here, and I only showed my carrots I think one time, and I thought let me show them because I put all this work into it and I didn't really display them very well. So I got my yellow one and my green one, so I thought it'd be really cute to stick them right inside here, just so they can have a home for the table. And now that I took it out, I have a hard time getting it back in. And then on either side, I flanked my little topiary trees, just to give it some definition. You know, I was missing something there. It was a bare spot. And then on this side I have my beautiful rabbit, and then I just have my little purple flowers, my ruffle plate again, and then some more purple flowers on the bottom, and it goes really well with this runner. And you see there's Mr. Rabbit with his little cute glasses on. So this nothing's new on here, everything's been used before, but I thought it'd be nice to put try to make it an elevated tablescape this time, with a little touch of whimsy. And then on this side I have my birds, and if you remember I had that in my mom's little, I don't know what that is, I don't know, a tray. And so I decided to put it here on top of a Mackenzie Childs box because I really love that check look with those colors. So anyhow, I put that there, and now we're ready to start building the actual tablescape with the dishes and all that. So the first thing I'm going to use, and I'm going to bring this over, is my teapot, and you guys have seen that before. And a little story behind this, came as a set, and the seller did not pack well, so most of it came broken, and I had repaired, and some things I just could not repair, and this is one of them I repaired. And there's a couple of little boo-boos, but you don't know it. So let me put him in his place, and let me get to the next item. Okay, so I put the teapot here. It's looking pretty good, and it's filled in that space. And now over here we need something, and so I thought, since this little bunny is so cute, why not have two more? So we're going to use these guys over on this side of the table. So let me see how they look on the display. Alright, so here they are in their place, and I think they're looking pretty cute. I do like that a lot. But there's a little blink spot there. So I'm gonna put this little guy, kind of looks like a cabbage head with roses coming out of it. And I thought, oh, that would be good for Easter. So let's see about putting this over here. And I think that's good. That kind of fills in that spot. So now we've got something right in the middle that I want to add. So let's see. All right, so I added my sugar and creamer. It doesn't exactly go with that, but like I said, in this shipment, most of the pieces were broken, so I was able to salvage, looks like the sugar, but there's no creamer, and I didn't want to be without the creamer. So I thought I'd add this cute little set, and I've showed this before, and it has my little bunnies, but it does have a little touch of gold on the edge, so I thought that would be appropriate to use with the teapot there. So now I want to add a couple more little cute things here. So I'm going to add this little bunny here, and one more right here. So there you go. So I'm liking that so far. Let me back up again with this chair in my way. I moved it and it's still in my way. All right, so we're looking good. So now we want to build our dinnerware set. So we'll start building. Okay, so I found these chargers at HomeSense, I think is the name of the store. It's a brand new store that I went to. I've heard a lot of people on Facebook and YouTube talk about the place. Anyways, I got these gold chargers, and let's see how we add to these. All right, so I added this very pretty plate. I do apologize, there's always such a shadow in this room. But this is, I believe we got this from, I don't know, I don't remember. There's too many stores we shop at. But I just love the detail here, how this scallops here. So I have this on both my both my chargers. So now let's see what plates we can luncheon plates we can add to this. Okay, so I've added my luncheon plate on here, and this one came from Anna Lee, and I looked on the back of it, and it is from England. It's bone china, and I just love the roses on there, and it goes pretty good with all of the colors over here. So I thought, oh, let me go ahead and try this out and see what it looks like, and I really like it. The gold charger picks up the gold around the rim, so everything's looking really nice. I did look at, this plate here, and my mom got it from Home Goods, and it was made in Turkey. So just wanted to give you an update on that. All right, so let's continue to build our place setting. Okay, so I've added my utensils, and I've added my napkin, and I thought it was really cute to have this little nest with some eggs. My thought was I was gonna put my name, cute little card with my name on it right in the middle, and my mom's name on the other one. But unfortunately, I could not find the little cards that I had purchased, because you know, it's too many things going on in this house. So the napkin kind of hides my pretty china, so I decided to give you two ways you could display. You could either do it this way, so I'll try to go outside of the light so you could see, and then this way. So you guys tell me what way you think is better. Let me see if I can move this down. I think it should be like that. Yeah, that looks better. So I'm going to give you another look in your comments if you can tell me which one do you like best. This one is A and this one is be? I'm kind of torn because I really, I really like these plates. So let me know what you think in the comments. I'd really appreciate your thoughts. And let's go to the next item that we're going to use to continue our table display. All right, so I just added my coffee cups here to the display. And let me move this back a little bit. And then I found these at that Home Sense. See if I can move it in, get out of the shadow over here. And these are so pretty. It goes really nice with my tablecloth, and I just very happy. So this is kind of like a little dessert platter, a little dessert plate. So we're going to put it off to the side on each place setting here. I guess it would help if I could get my hand out of the way. Let me move that over a little bit more. And then I'll put this one on this side. All right. So we are still missing 2 more pieces. So let's see what else I'm going to bring to the table. All right. So I added my purple champagne flutes. Very pretty. They go very nicely with this setup. And then I moved my rabbits further out so it had a little bare space there. And then I have another goblet on this side. And I have one more item, if you can believe it, one more item that I want to add to this table. Okay, here it is. Here is my little egg dish with the gold egg, and it goes really nice with this gold charger. And the yellow, I can pick up the yellow from that plate over there. And then on this side, I have a green one with another gold egg. And that green is picking up from all the green on this side. So I think I'm done. I don't want to overdo it, but I really like how it turned out. For some reason, these little dishes, they're so pretty. I'm so drawn to them. I wish they had a bigger one, like a luncheon one, but all they have is this little ones, like a dessert plate. So I'm going to back up and let you see what everything looks like. And this darn chair is in my way again, so hold on a minute. Okay, so I've finished my spring bouquet tablescape, and I hope you like it. Would like to invite you to come have lunch with me one day. I'm not sure what I would be serving with this tablescape, but anything would be good. It looks so pretty, and I think I want to sit down and have a glass of champagne now. Did a lot of work on this. I hope you guys like it. Please leave me a comment if you like what I did, if you see anything I could have done better. And if you're not already subscribing, please consider trying to grow this channel. Me and my mom, Grandma Sandy, and we would love to have new friends and family join our channel. So again, thank you for your time and stopping by, and I really appreciate all the love and support that you've given my mom over the years, and that you're starting to give to me as a new YouTube channel. Thank you again, and have a blessed day.